Okay. Okay, I want to welcome everyone. If you join, kindly drop a comment to let me know that you've joined. This training is actually for heroic assistants. It's specifically for heroic assistants, but anybody can join. Okay, I want to take 30 minutes to educate heroic assistants on what they're supposed to know about heroic courses, all the courses in Heroic Academy, and what our students start to gain, okay, when they register for any of the courses. Okay, because my assistants are people that are helping me in communicating with potential students. So they need to know much about the courses, okay, and how to explain the course and what the student stands to gain to the students, okay. That is the essence of this training. So if you are joining quickly, please, when you join, drop a comment before I start. I will wait for 2 minutes. If none of my assistants is joining, then I have to commence the training. Okay, just 2 minutes. So once you join, you drop a comment, please. Let me know that you've joined so that we'll commence proper. You all know that we schedule this meeting. Okay, we schedule this meeting. I know this is Sunday, that we have a lot of activities, sure, but nobody told me that I didn't have any information that we are going to be busy. So I didn't get any excuse from anybody that we are not going to be available. Okay, so I expected all of us to be present here. So please, when you join, you drop a comment. If you can hear my voice clearly, you let me know. So if you have issue hearing me, you also let me know. Okay, as I'm starting, like I said, this will last for 30 minutes. I have just 1 more minute left before I get started. All right. 1 more minute to left, then we'll get started. All right. I think I have to get started while you join. Like I said, this is an opportunity to teach my students courses in Heroic Academy. Okay, not my student, but my assistants. Heroic assistants are people that are helping me in relating with students, okay, and potential students. All right, so the essence of this meeting is to teach them more about our courses, especially the new courses we added. All right, so this is to educate you on the new courses we added and other courses as well. And again, what our students stand to gain when they join, what potential students and students as well stand to gain as they register for the courses. Okay, that's the essence of today's meeting. Without wasting much time, quickly, I'm going to get started. All right, I'm going to start by going to Heroic Academy. because I think that should be where we are going to start. Okay, so when you visit heroicuniversal.com, we are going to get to this Heroic website. Then you click on Academy. So when you click on Academy, you wait. This is Heroic Academy. It will open. All right. So when Heroic Academy opens, when you click, once it opens, few seconds, sorry, then you are going to get Heroic Assistant. Heroic Assistant will assist. I created it to assist people who don't know much about the courses we offer. So when you visit our website, the assistant will assist you, guide you. You can look at the assistant and say, hello, you are welcome to Heroic Universal Academy. Choose the course you want to study from the list below. When you click on any of the courses, I will show you what you would learn if you enroll in the course. Okay, now, so you are now required to click on any course you are interested in. So the essence of putting this assistant here is, in case when you look at all these courses, if you don't know much about them, maybe you can click on any of them and check. It will show you, tell you more. Okay, say, okay, we'll have 5 courses under web design and development. So it will list the courses we have under this particular course. Okay, if you scroll up, you read about all of them, each of them. Okay, this is about full stack, and this is the cost. Then if you're interested in it, you click here, you order for it, and this is about front end, and that is the cost. Some courses, take note of this, please. Some courses have videos. Okay, some courses have videos that will tell you more about the course. All right, so this is a video talking about the course. Okay, then after going through the video, if you are interested in the course, you can now click on the course. We click on the course, it will load and tell you a little bit more about the course, then give you a button to enroll. You can now enroll. Okay, that's exactly how all of the courses, for example, if you go to graphic design, just the same thing, tell you more about graphic design. The course is under graphic design. Okay, then the video that will tell you more about it, and so on and so forth. So the assignment I'm going to give you as a Heroic assistant is to go to Heroic website, then go through Heroic assistant. Very important. You need to learn more about Heroic courses to explain this properly to students and potential students. So take your time. I will refer to this. I will still ask you if you've gone through, and you have to tell me what you. I'll ask you questions on this, and this is very serious. Go through this, the assistant, and go through it. Then make your observation as well. If there are areas we need to fix in this assistance, you also need to let me know. Okay, this is very important. So that is it. Then that's all about assistant. Just take your time, go through the entire course and details, and go through some videos as well. Okay, so that's said. Now let me introduce you to the courses here. Once you open Heroic Academy, you see that I arranged the courses in categories. Before now, it wasn't like this. I just decided to do it like that because our courses are becoming many. We are now having more courses. So there is a need to arrange the course according to categories. And that was what I did. Okay. So you see, we have web design and development. All the courses you have here are under web design and development. You see that? All the courses here. Then this one, mobile apps development, courses here under mobile app development. Then this, Microsoft Office, digital marketing, graphic design, programming, video editing, freelancing, data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain. If you notice, see that some of the categories have just one course in it, and that's okay. You just leave it like that. Then this is the latest course. These are courses according to the latest course. I posted, which means that this is the latest course we posted in this academy. Okay, so this from the latest to the most previous ones. Okay, and this one is all the courses down here. Okay, then you have another arrangement of the courses, not according to the latest, but according to the first posted. This is the first course I posted here. Okay, so this like a reverse of this one. Okay, so understand this properly. If you understand it, to make a lot of sense to you. So these are our courses. I would have wanted to go through them one after the other. I would have wanted to go through them one after the other, but I think I have to concentrate for now. Let me concentrate on what students are going to gain when they register for any of the courses, because there are a lot of courses here. But let me just make a quick summary of this, please. A quick summary. Web design and development, like it's all about designing and developing professional websites. Okay, it's when you pay for this course, you're going to have all these courses here, all of them. You see, we have a lot of courses, a lot of it. Okay, not necessarily all of, because most of them, we have 15 courses under web design and development. If I should go here to my learning, so you see this, if I click on full stack web development, these are the courses under full stack web development. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you see we have 15 courses under full stack web development. 15 courses, and that's amazing, isn't it? And so when you want to start, you have to start from HTML, then you go to CSS, then you design a professional website, then you move to JavaScript. That I did just a web design. You design a nice pretty website here, then you move to JavaScript. The essence of designing a website after going through HTML and CSS is for students undergoing the course to kind of practice what they've learned through the fundamentals of HTML and CSS. They practice it here by using the skill to design a nice looking website. Okay, good. After that, they continue with JavaScript. Okay, after JavaScript, that's the main JavaScript, then they move into the advanced JavaScript, ECMAScript. Okay, they move into the ECMAScript 2015 to 2019. So all these are new features added to JavaScript. So they learn it, and after that they create another website, another front-end website. Then they move to jQuery, then PHP, MySQL, login system. Here they build login system. After learning PHP, MySQL, they use the skill to build a wonderful login system. Then they move to Ajax, JSON, database management, then admin panel, then how to build a blog. Then they have to build a blog. And after building a blog, they complete it with building a complete e-commerce shop. So you see, all these are what students are going to learn when they register for web design and development. Okay, so let's look at mobile apps development as well. Maybe I'll have to go here. This mobile app, if I click on mobile app, I have more to add to mobile apps development, but for now, these are the ones I added. I'm going to add more as we move on. Okay, so the person will start with from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ECMAScript. Then the person will now learn fundamental React.js. After that, moves to React Native. All these are languages students are going to learn. Their languages and their libraries they're going to learn. They move to React Native, which is the one for mobile app, cross-platform mobile apps development. Okay. Then after that, they will create a simple to-do list app. After to-do list app, the next app they are going to create is a Uber app. That is Uber Chrome, an app for transport management. Okay. And after that, they will end it with e-commerce app. Okay. Then they will also learn how to convert websites to mobile apps through coding, and finally how to upload apps to Google Play Store. Okay, these are what you're going to learn under mobile apps development. So I have to move back to home page and continue. I'm trying to be fast, showing you the courses you need. Okay, the courses you need to be aware of so that you'll be able to explain to students properly. Yeah, this Microsoft Office. Okay, most of us, we know about Microsoft Office. Okay, digital marketing. Okay, graphic design. These are graphic design. I think I've summarized this for now. Take your time, go to this site, study this again. Take note of all these courses here. The reason for all this is for you to properly explain to students and potential students about these courses. That is the essence of showing you all this. Okay, so please take this serious. Take it very serious. So that said, now I'm going to move quickly to what students. I'm going to move quickly to what students are going to learn when they register for any of these courses. What they are going to learn, not necessarily what they are going to gain. Because if I should go into what they're going, I think I've talked a bit about what they're going to learn when I was talking about web design and mobile apps development. You've seen what you're going to learn there. Okay, that's actually going to eventually become a professional as you continue to learn, because we made it in such a way that you start from fundamentals, then you start building projects, and you continue until you emerge an expert in your field. Okay, but then now I'm going to talk about what students are going to gain. Okay, because there's an advantage of joining our academy. Okay, there's a huge advantage, and this advantage is what we are going to discuss. All right, let's quickly go there. So, all right, what students stand to learn and gain? Awesome. So the first is these are what students are going to learn and get. In summary, students have opportunity to become experts. Then number 2, opportunity to create portfolios. I will explain all this one after the other. Opportunity to partner with us, opportunity to be employed by us, opportunity to be recommended by us, and opportunity to learn marketing skills for free from us. So all these are what students are going to gain when they join us. All right, now the first option there is opportunity to become experts. Opportunity to become experts. Yeah, our courses are structured in such a way that if you go through it diligently, you must emerge an expert in your chosen field. Sure, like you've seen the full stack web development, how we organize the course. We organize it in such a way that students are going to start from beginners level. Gradually, they will start building something. The easiest way to learn skill is by building that thing. Okay, if you want to learn web development, you need to start building projects. I normally see most students that learned programming elsewhere. They will tell you that I will ask them whether they've built so. They say they've not built anything. So you see, how can you learn and become an expert when you've not actually built something complicated with that skill? So you see, so we made sure that we structure our academy in such a way that students are going to be building something in the course of their learning. Okay, and that's at the end of the course. The course is quite detailed, like I said here. At the end of the course, students are going to surely emerge experts in their field, and that is our goal. All right. And number 2, opportunity to create portfolios. This thing I'm explaining here, it's primarily I'm explaining it to heroic assistants. So if you're a heroic assistant, I'm supposed to have 3 assistants watching this now, and many of them are not here. I don't know, maybe because of Sunday. I will tackle that later. All right, but I'm explaining to assistants, so they will explain to students and potential students. Okay, so if you want to, as a student, you need to know more about what you're going to gain, what you're going to learn and gain, and that's what we are trying to explain here. All right. Then another opportunity you are going to have here is that you're going to have the opportunity to create portfolios. Okay, opportunity to create portfolios as you are learning. It's a very important one, creating portfolios as you are learning. If you're actually going to get a job or get a contract with the skill you are acquiring, you must try your best to have portfolio. That is, you have projects you've created. Someone would like to know what you've done with your skill, whether you've created so and so, whether you can, because someone has to see what you've done to believe that you can actually work for him. Do you get that? But what normally happens, some people will go through the entire course without creating anything to show for it. That's not how we want our course to be. So we structure the course in such a way that students are going to create projects and keep it as their portfolio. One of my students sent me a link of his portfolio website. I was impressed. He has created a lot of things, and he's still learning. And the website just pretty great. Okay, maybe in one of my one of my meeting like this, I will try my best to share some of their sites to you for you guys to see. Okay, I was quite impressed by that website. Okay, he has portfolios already while he's still learning. Okay, so they become experts in the course of building the project. Yeah, that's our goal. We want students to become experts in the course of building their projects. Okay, then the project will eventually serve as portfolios for them. Do you get me? So the idea is, as you are learning as a student, you are learning and you are becoming an expert. You are learning, you are building projects, you are learning, you are gaining experience from the projects you are building. Okay, then eventually the project you are going to build will serve as your personal portfolios. You are going to show to potential clients or employers. Do you get that? Good. Then opportunity to partner with us and opportunity to be employed by us. Okay, then we have programs that we use to partner with students, because the primary purpose of creating Heroic Academy is to partner with students. That's, we train and partner with students. That's what we do. So we want to train students then and partner with them. That's what we do. Okay, so we have systems and we are creating more how to partner with students. Number one is the affiliate system. Once you register as a student, you're automatically an ambassador, Heroic ambassador. You can promote our product and earn money from it. That's one way we partner. Another one is door-to-door promotion. I will talk about this one much later. This, we employ people, our students, and those that are not, maybe our students and ambassadors and fans as well. Okay, when we start from our students, if we can't get the quality people we need among our students, then we extend it to others. All right, but we always start from our students. Okay, then we employ them, we pay them monthly, then they help in promoting our products and services as they are learning. Okay, or an individual who is not also our student might also fall into this one. But it depends on, like I said before, if we are not able to get someone or people that are ready to go into this one, then we'll now extend it to others. We must always start from our student. This door-to-door promotion has started. Some people have registered. I will still review the registration and pick people that I need from there. Okay, then they will now be educated on what they stand to do, what they're going to do for us, and how they're going to be paid. Then the last but not the least is Heroic Agency. I've also started this. Many people have registered. I will still review the they did the registration and pick people that I'm going to work with. This agency is aimed at working with different skilled individuals. Okay, if you are skilled and you want to work with us, then this is a huge opportunity for you to work with us. We partner with skilled individual, then get projects, get contracts, give them the contract, then pay them for the job well done, and they earn from it as well. So that is Heroic Agents. So we are partnering with all ICT experts, whether you are a graphic designer or UI UX designer, digital marketer, social media marketer, copywriter, AutoCAD designer, any kind of ICT skill that you have, we can partner with you. Okay, I'm going to go live to talk about this particular agency much later, but a lot of people have registered for it. I'm going to review and start with some people. If I need more, then I'll keep talking about it until I get all the individual that I need to partner with. Okay, so all these are opportunities my students have. Like I told you, I always start from my student. I will check through my students. Like the way I'm about to review those that registered, I have to start checking through the list of registered individuals. Start from my students. I will check. If I'm not able to get someone who is skilled enough among my students, then I will now look elsewhere. Where my students are my priority. You understand? So all these and more. Okay, then they also have opportunities to be recommended by us. Several companies have approached me in the past looking for skilled individuals to employ. I usually recommend my students if any of them meets their standard. Yeah, I've had some people chat me up telling me that they need one of my students to work for them. Okay, so I will look through my students to know those that are doing well, and I'll recommend if they meet their standard. So all these are what you as a student or potential student stand to gain if you become a student. Then one more is opportunity to learn digital marketing for free. Okay, this has been ages. I want my students to learn how to market their skill because it is essential. If you don't know how to market your skill as a student, you will complete your training without having any client. Like someone chatted me previously, was talking about, he was talking about me giving him job. He's a full stack web developer, but he doesn't have a job because he doesn't know how to market his skill. So I have to start educating him that he has to embark upon another training altogether, that he has to train on how to market his skill, because this is another skill you need to acquire. Okay, so and that's what we do for our students, and we start on time to expose our students to that. This is my digital marketing course. I'm updating it again. Once it is ready, I'll push it out again for students, and I will encourage them to go through it so they'll be good enough to be able to promote their skill and make money. Okay, why they are also partnering with me. So I want to say thank you to you guys. Like I said, that this is not going to waste our time. I just want to quickly do this, and this is primarily for Heroic Assistant. Then if you're a Heroic Assistant, go through this. If you are just watching, or maybe you're not an assistant, it's still for you as well. I believe you've learned one or two things here. Okay, the idea is this: we want our students to be skilled enough to work with us. That's the summary of the whole thing. Okay, and you as an assistant, you are duty bound to learn everything you need to learn to be able to educate students, to inform students and potential students, especially potential students, to let them know these and these and these and these are what they are going to gain when they join, and these are the skill they are going to acquire, and these are the courses under so course. Because some people will tell you, okay, that that our web design and development is 100K for now, and they will say too much. They will be thinking that web design and development is just one course, not knowing that it has a lot of courses in it. Do you understand? Now, it is now your duty as an assistant to explain to the person that it has a lot of courses. So that if you should count about 15 courses we have right now under full stack web development, if you divide it, you see that each of the courses are about just minimal. The cost is minimal. When you check the cost, I mean, if you begin to look at individual courses under this particular course, you explain to them, and they explain to them that we are actually teaching them to ensure that they emerge experts in their field. Okay, that they emerge experts. They know. You are teaching them to ensure that they emerge experts. Okay, you are teaching them to ensure that they emerge experts in their field to be able to deliver value to the public. And that's what we are doing. We don't just want to teach them as an amateur. Okay, I think I have to stop here. We'll schedule another meeting for us to continue. Thank you so much. So I don't know if you have any question. If you have any question, please. I can see that some people are actually replying. Okay. So if you have any question, quickly, 1 minute, you drop your question, please, before I stop. Okay. And meanwhile, I must register my displeasure over my assistants not joining on time. Only Martins is here. Only Martin is here. Right, that's okay. Martin, thank you for joining. I will thank you. Then we have Muhammad. Okay, say good afternoon, sir. You're really doing great. I like your courses. Thank you so much, Yunus Muhammad. Okay. Martin, it seems you are going somewhere. Don't worry, I've rounded off. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so do we have any question? I believe we don't have. So I want to say thank you so much. And I'm wishing you a wonderful Sunday.